Just hold this, okay? Pallavi.
Yes, ma'am.
So Pallavi, will you please introduce about yourself?
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is K. Pallavi. I am completed my graduation in BCom in Computer Applications in the Pratibha Group of Institution. My strength were is having a capability, can easily adaptable to the environment, and smart working.
Okay. So you said you want to go for the non-IT side. So
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
meant by IT and the non-IT?
And IT sectors, it mainly includes of the web development programmings like backend and front of HTML, CSS, Java, and Python full stack development. Non-IT sectors it just include about the includes of the education system, healthcare services.
Okay. So why you want to like, where do you see in non-IT sector? Like if you want to contribute something to it, so what are the contribution you will make to it?
Uh, I contribute to gain the knowledge. I mean, it's a contribution of a knowledge to the who are the freshers.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay. So Pallavi, like how many languages you can speak?
I can speak English, Telugu, and Hindi is a basic one.
Basic. So are you also okay for the HR roles?
I heard, but I don't have any.
No, I'm not talking about the knowledge. Are you okay for the HR roles also?
Okay.
As a
Yes.
recruiter or anything?
Yes, ma'am.
You can handle it.
Yes, ma'am. I can
So
handle.
how you handle your pressure?
Um, with using of a smart, I mean, under the pressure, I said, mm,
It's okay, Pallavi. అర్థం రావట్లేదు ఆన్సర్స్
కొద్దిగా
స్ట్రక్ అవుతున్నారు. Don't get nervous. Okay, next time be prepared well. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.